Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Cheeds. And today we're making Yassa Chicken. Let's get it. Hey, you there watching the video. If you could do me one small favor, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you can be notified of new videos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Alrighty, for this dish, first thing we're going to do is chop up 3 sweet onions. I'm going to cut and peel. After chopping off the onions, we're going to set those aside. Next, we're going to chop up 4 shallots. Alright, we're going to chop the shallots up in a similar fashion that we did with the onions. And we're going to add those to our onions as well. Now we're going to make a marinade. First, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Then we're going to crush in about 6-7 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to add some dried parsley, some ground sage, ground thyme, rosemary, some marjoram, some dill weed, the juice of 1 lemon, and the juice of 1 lime. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of mustard. We're going to mix that together. After mixing it all together, we're going to set that to the side. Now, in a final bowl, we're going to add about 2 pounds of chicken. I'm going to clean off some of the excess fat. Alright, we've now cleaned the chicken. I'm going to sprinkle in some salt, a little bit of that magic powder, Then we're gonna go in with that marinade. After that, we're gonna massage everything in, make sure everything's nice and coated in the marinade. Should look something like that. Looks beautiful. It smells even more amazing. And lastly, we're gonna take those onions and shallots and put that on top. After making it covered with the onions, we're gonna put this in the fridge overnight. See ya! For those of you taking the time out of your day to watch this video, I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate your support. Now back to the video. Alrighty. Over a medium-high heat, we're gonna add some oil to a heavy bottom pan. And then we're gonna dig the chicken out of that onion burial we gave it. And add that to the pan. We're not trying to cook it all the way through. We're just trying to get a nice sear on the chicken. Alright, after making sure each side is nice and golden brown, we'll take it off the heat. We'll turn the heat down a little bit and add the onions. And we're going to stir the pot and caramelize the onions. And if you see some onions that haven't broken up from last time, break them up. This is your chance to break them up now. And you're going to continue tossing this every so often until the onions have cooked down and caramelized. You can also add a little bit of oil and then a little bit just to help it with the caramelization. So you want to keep caramelizing the onions until it looks like that. And then I'm going to give it one final toss. And then we're going to turn the heat down to low. And we're going to add our chicken back. And this is when the chicken will finish cooking all the way through. And any juice that leaked from where the chicken was, make sure you add that too. And then we're going to cover it and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken's cooked all the way through. See you in a bit.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so I think my fire was a little too low, so I had to let mine cook a little bit longer than 20 minutes. But it should start looking something like that. And then this is optional, but you can add some sliced olives in here. And for a pop of color, I have some sliced Fresno chilies. And that's all she wrote. Mix that up a little bit. Also, I boiled some rice while I was waiting, so we can serve that together with the chicken. So it's time for the taste test. Alrighty, it's time for the taste test. So this Yassa Chicken, I believe, is a Senegalese dish. It's very simple. Uses a lot of onions, as you saw. Let's dig in. Chicken is nice and tender. Get some of that stew. some of that rice. Bon appetit. Well, that's not bad. I've also heard you can top it off with some charred lemon. See how that changes the flavor. That's actually pretty good. Not gonna lie, it's pretty solid. Might be a little bit more of an acquired taste, but this is good. Yeah. So at the end there, really make sure this joint cooks through until you get that stew-like sauce, and then you're Gucci. That's the longest part of the process besides marinating the chicken overnight. It's definitely something I'll try again. This is most definitely Chidolicious. It's a very interesting way to have like a stew type thing with no tomatoes. It's really good. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. Comment down below if there's another international dish you think I should try. And until next time, YouTube, peace!